This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon jerky. First, select fresh, high-quality salmon fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick. Carefully remove the skin and any remaining pin bones. Then, slice the salmon into uniform strips, approximately 1/4 inch thick. Consistency and thickness is key for even drying, ensuring every piece of your homemade jerky turns out perfectly delicious and ready for the next step in our easy guide. Now, let's create a flavorful marinade. In a bowl, combine about 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a dash of liquid smoke for that classic jerky taste. Enhance the flavor with 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Submerge your salmon strips in this mixture, ensuring they are fully coated. Marinate for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight in the refrigerator. Once marinated, it's time for dehydration. Carefully arrange your salmon strips on the dehydrator trays, making sure no pieces overlap to allow for proper airflow. Set your dehydrator to a temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin dehydrating for about 3 to 6 hours. Check the jerky periodically. It should be firm, pliable, and not brittle, indicating it's perfectly done and ready to enjoy. Congratulations, you've made delicious salmon jerky. Before storing, ensure the jerky has cooled completely to room temperature. For short-term enjoyment, place your jerky in an airtight container. It will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. If you plan to keep it longer, vacuum sealing and freezing is an excellent option, preserving its quality for several months. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful salmon jerky anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.